Hello mga Mi Amor! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mi Amor. Today, I'm so excited to unbox something that's both cute and super useful. A foldable table, perfect for small spaces, working from home, or even for content creators like me. So, here's the box, so fresh from the delivery, and I ordered this online. And it came in just 5 days. Let's do this! Come on.
Wala like cutter? Wala cutter?
No, we don't have. Ana ara. So, by the way, I ordered this sa Shopee. Shopee, Philippines. Okay, so I'm here in the Philippines. So, this is my first order since pagdating ko dito sa Pilipinas. And tingnan nyo guys kung unsay sulod ani. Hala.
We have to like this.
We have to put it down.
Yeah.
And no, yeah.
Okay.
So, and here it is, my new foldable table, perfect for working, editing, or even having a coffee time or a cozy meal. So yeah, I love how lightweight and space saving it is. Honestly, the price was worth it for the quality and how convenient this foldable table is. I'd say it's a great buy, super budget friendly and useful talaga. So ayan mga Mi Amor, thank you so much for unboxing with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you want more unboxing videos like this. Until next time, stay safe and sweet. Bye! See you in my next vlog.